is up, T-Nation? Welcome back to another video. I'm just jumping straight into the video. So today I'm using Nzinga and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my lid. All of my palettes are pretty much Juvia's Place, so y'all can guess if I'm using anything, it's going to be Juvia's Place. But next I'm taking Fez and I'm going to work that into the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just blending that up and over, creating some more depth into my eyelid. So I'm just blending that out and then I'm going to go do the same thing to the next eye. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I act really scared when it comes to blending. I don't know what it is about it, but when it comes to blending, I don't know. I do less when I should do more, but yeah, I should have blended it more now that I'm looking back at it. But y'all, this is only day 2. I'm not gonna be too hard on myself, but I basically did the same thing. I was so scared to like touch it and mess it up, so I just kind of left it there. Yeah, I'm like looking at it and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there. So I'm using L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to use my eyeliner and I'm going to get ready and prep my eyes for my lashes. So yeah, I went ahead and put my lashes on for y'all, and then I'm going to go ahead and line my lower lash line. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my face, and I'm using the same concealer I always use. I use Fora. And then I'm using my my foundation from Juvia's Place. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get right with that. So I think after I'm done with this series, I'm gonna try to get a different foundation routine. I don't hate my foundation routine, but I've had the same foundation for well over a year. And the same concealer. There's nothing wrong with that, but I like to try out different, formulas, different, I don't really have oily skin. I don't really have dry skin either, but this foundation routine is doing it, but it's not doing what it could be. So I think I'm gonna play around and find like a different foundation routine, because yeah, we need to elevate the foundation routine. So right here, I'm actually using an eyeshadow. It's the shade Aziza from the Saharan 2 palette. It's a really old palette, but I've been using this eyeshadow for highlighter for so long, and I love this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my cheekbones. I do my cheekbones, I highlight my nose, and then I highlight under my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish highlighting. So now I'm just taking a dark, I think this is actually like an eyeliner. I don't think that was lip liner. I don't remember. I think I actually got it from the hair store, but then I'm just putting a gloss over that. Alright, so this is the end of day 2. This is how the look came out. Y'all, I am not too mad that I did not blend it out. You can't really tell that much. So I'm actually loving it. So this is the final look. I went ahead and took my scarf off. Y'all, it was stuck like glue to my forehead. But I went ahead and took it off. Yeah, this is my 50-inch wig, y'all. Would y'all believe me if I told y'all this was a wig? If y'all want to see the review on this wig, go ahead and let me know. But yeah, go ahead and get into this hair. I think that's what I was doing. I was showing y'all the hair. Because y'all, I was so surprised at this wig. But this is the final look. I hope tomorrow I can actually do something a little bit more complex, something to like test me out a little bit more, but we'll see. Every night, or yeah, pretty much every night I go through and I'm looking at different pictures of different eyeshadow looks. So I'm trying to really challenge myself and do something different and better every single day. So make sure y'all tune in and see tomorrow's video. But yes, go ahead and hit the notification bell so y'all can get notified every time that I post. But I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.